video is about macaroni cheese and what is that called, Jasmine? That's puff, yes? That's the chips.
Look, guys. It's the shape of a dog. The shape of a dog pin.
Yeah, Jasmine loves macaroni and cheese. So, in case if you want to see the video of how I make macaroni and cheese.
We can get this in Fiesta.
Yes.
It's actually kind of like a party.
Yes. All you need to just do is just put some water and microwave. If you have microwave, you can just microwave for 3.5 minutes, if I'm not wrong. 3.5 minutes. If not, then you can just boil the water and just pour it. So Jasmine, do you want to say anything about your school today?
No.
Oh, okay. So Jasmine actually start. Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah. Ava loves chips. Yes, and she is drinking some smoothie. Yeah.
Finished.
Oh my goodness, Jasmine is already done with her.
That was just a little bit.
Yeah, that was a little bit. Do you want to eat anything else?
Some macaroni.
You have more?
We have some more macaroni.
Yeah.
And if you around in the country, I'll say hola, namaste. What is
For Nepal and India.
Yeah, in Nepal and India.
Yeah. No.
I'm not pretending. Okay, let's try cheese macaroni with that cotton.
Okay.
Okay, let me try.
You need to sit down. Go, sit down. Okay.
Oh yeah. I can say namaste, bonjour.
And that's light. Yeah.
But in Fiesta is actually a tradition from do you know that in like Mexico, they're in our country. Actually, in Mexico, Fiesta is called a party. It's a party where everybody plays on a hot day.
Okay.
I maybe blackout.
Do you want to try some different chips? The spicy one?
Yeah.
Okay, go grab and get that one. And also the one, what is that? Let me see.
You can see this. It's so yummy. And this is so cute. And it's from Fiesta. And here's my empty bowl. Blah. And also it has a covering. Blood. And we have some pasta here. Look inside.
It's a funny house, smoothie house.
And here's baby.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's spicy chips. I didn't know she did. So much fun.
Okay guys, here is all of the hot Cheetos, and that's lime flavor. Actually, my little one also can eat it. I don't know, it's too spicy, but she can eat that.
She's really
So today is a little bit snacks video, okay?
I don't know. It's not. It doesn't care for me. It doesn't care.
Yeah.
I don't like. I like it. It's really good, but it's not spicy.
Yeah.
To me, it's not spicy. To Mama, it's spicy.
Yes.
I'm never gonna be spicy though. I didn't smell.
You can put it here a little bit. Okay. Huh? Okay, sit down. Jasmine, you need to sit down. Okay, guys, it's really spicy.
It's too spicy.
Smoothie, come. Let me see. Oh, okay, Jasmine, get some more water for baby. you. We also find it. Mmm. Mmm. This is really spicy. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Food. Fish food. Oh, she's saying fish. Okay. Mm. Baba is at work. Baba means her daddy.
We do it differently. No, you already have Spoonie.
Oh, she wants water too, Jasmine.
What? I'm gonna get one.
Yeah. Okay, wait, okay? She's bringing water. Yeah, she's getting water. Guys, we have one aquarium. That's a new addition in our apartment. And Jasmine is being such a good girl. She is actually getting water for her sister. Ooh, interesting.
You're having joy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know that? I mean, in Nepal, I can tell you something. Do you know when you're? Tell me if you're real, out loud.
I don't know.
Maybe that was too loud.
What was that?
I was telling everybody to say it out loud.
Oh, but what? Oh, she wants water.
I forgot.
That's not a good joke. What? I'm trying to say a joke. Okay. She is really, it's too spicy. Oh my goodness!
Look.
You okay?
This looks like a but in our traditions, like you don't need to play with it. You can just eat it.
I never play with food, yes?
Yeah, not like eat. Just eat it.
Mm.
What happens when you play? I have one question.
What's the question?
What happens when you eat food and playing with it? What happens when you play with it in the food? What happens?
Then you will not eat food. Huh? I think she's done. Maybe I think you can eat. Maybe I'll just take this. Okay, are you sure you can eat? This one is mad.
How did you know that?
I just saw from here. Fish food.
That's so spicy. Did I break it?
Give her water. Give her water.
I'm trying to drink. Oh, I got an idea. Maybe I can feed her.
Oh, good job. Spicy.
Water? I'm gonna get you one.
Done?
No, I'm gonna get you one.
I'm good. Thank you. I'm good. No, it's okay. Oh, you want me to give this?
I'm flying.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
There's fire inside.
Mm.
Do you know what it's called? Like hot Cheetos?
What
I
is
call it Cheetos. Because it's look hot. Hey! You drinking mine. Do you know that why it's called hot Cheetos?
Because it's too
No,
spicy.
no, not that. I don't want you to tell it. Tell it out. Tell it out loud. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh yeah. Ah, that was loud. That was really.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't you want to have this one? Mm. Angry. I need this. He's mad. She wants hot Cheetos.
Yeah.